If you're a Kansas City homeowner and you need some form of foundation repair, or if you're buying or selling a home and you're in a real estate transaction, or you're curious about purchasing a property and want to know more about the foundation itself, at KC Pier, we are foundation inspection experts. We come out to homes, we assess them, we draw them, we take a look at the home from a 30-point perspective, from waterproofing to structural integrity to potentially, if you opt in to looking at it from a radon testing and mitigation perspective, we can take a look at the structure inside and out and provide you as a homeowner or as a buyer of real estate, a seller of real estate, the confidence that you can negotiate and or feel good about the foundation of the structure that you're either living in or looking to buy or sell. Feel free to call KC Pier. We'll come out, we'll take a look at it, we'll give it our 30-point inspection so you as that buyer, homeowner, or seller can ultimately feel very confident about the structure you're either living in, buying, or selling.